Good morning, everyone. Today, let us talk about loneliness. How can overcome that loneliness? I often wonder why people think I am lonely because I feel a constant presence and connection with the divine soul inside me and everyone else. It is true that many people do not try to recognize this inner presence, or perhaps because they are unaware of it or do not understand it, they believe they are isolated. While most people view loneliness as a painful state of isolation without friends or family, for me it doesn't exist in that way at all. To overcome that kind of loneliness, people can try connecting with others through shared interests, volunteering, or joining local groups. Focusing on personal growth and hobbies can also help build confidence and reduce feeling of isolation. I have never felt the thought that I am alone. Fundamentally, none of us are ever alone because there is always a spirit within us. When we connect with the soul inside us, we can never experience loneliness there. Everyone can connect with the soul within them. As this divine presence resides in all of us, it simply requires mindfulness, introspection, and the desire to seek it. In conclusion, if everyone recognizes that soul within themselves and tries to connect with it, we will never feel that loneliness. Also, by connecting with our own mind, treating it as a friend, and conversing with it, we can overcome loneliness. In other words, even if we cannot connect with the soul, we can at least connect with our own mind, treating it like a friend to overcome loneliness. Therefore, thinking that we are lonely is a mistake because we all have a divine power. In the physical perspective, we think we are born and die alone, but since we have this divine power inside us, in truth, our birth and death are always connected to that divine power. So, at a fundamental level, my opinion is that we are never alone. If the divine presence is within us, we are never alone, and therefore, loneliness has no place here. To overcome loneliness, you can connect with your inner self. If you are spiritual, or build a strong relationship with family, friends, and your community. For materialists, loneliness is overcome by seeking companionship and building personal relationships. For spiritual seekers, loneliness does not exist because they are always connected to their inner soul and the divine power within them. Instead of asking which group is better, the reality is that society needs the contribution of both. During crisis, scientific and physical actions are essential to save lives, while spirituality plays a vital role in providing peace and strength to the mind. Therefore, they are complementary to each other. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Thank you and goodbye.